when the war broke out in June 1941, the German army was making headways instantly. That they were just marching into the Soviet Union and taking the territories, and so all the major cities now, or industries, or people in important professions, whole institutes, scientific, were evacuated into Asia. My father had just returned from his first stint in the Gulag. He returned in March, and the war started in June. They were evacuated, and my mother just graduated from the Kharkov Medical School. So what's very interesting for me, and that's perhaps that even though he was arrested and convicted and was sent in the Gulag, and usually most of the time the wives and the children were exiled, but there were some exceptions, because kind of like people fell through cracks, and she was left alone, and she continued medical school, and she had my sister, and she worked as a librarian. It was like 1 or 2 months before the war broke out, she got her medical diploma. And so when the cities were being evacuated, not everybody got a place on the train. A lot of people stayed behind. The only reason they got a place on the train is because she was a physician, and they wanted physicians, you know, to have enough physicians back there, because that's where the soldiers would be later on sent to, the wounded. There were many hospitals there for wounded soldiers in Asia. So that's where we ended up.